What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen and in today's video we are going to create a AdCash campaign for push notifications. So let's dive in. Alright, so we are inside of AdCash and today we are going to create a push campaign using AdCash. And before we dive in, I want to tell you that you can still join the Deberoo Suite beta for free. Make sure to go to Deberoo.com or follow the link below in the description to get your access to all kinds of awesome affiliate marketing software for free as long as we're still in the beta. And there's also an awesome offer online. So make sure to check out Deberoo.com and check out this awesome offer with a huge pre-sale Black Friday discount. Now today we are going to focus on push and we are going to create a push campaign using AdCash. And let's check out the offer that we're going to promote today. That's going to be this offer from Mob Idea, a offer for the UK web plus mobile Apple gift card CPL, aka cost per lead, and it's a double opt-in. It is performed on desktop, phone and tablet, so basically all kinds of devices. The flow is a PayPal login and the offer has a daily cap of 15 conversions. Let's see, so okay, that's the sub idea. The offer link is right here, that's all good. Advanced, yeah, we don't need this. Allow traffic, everything is allowed, that's perfect. This is a screenshot. Let's see. Alright, you win £500 to spend in Apple. Win £500 at Apple. Sign up for your chance to win. PayPal checkouts. Pricehook.com is a weekly competition subscription service. Pricehook.com gives you the chance to win prizes every week for £4.50 after 1 week free. The first week is free. Alright. Good to know. Do we have anything else? No banners, opportunities. Yeah, I don't care about that. Targeting, that's all fine. Okay. Alright, so let's start with creating our campaign. And we're just going to call this gift card iPhone. So here we go. Gift card iPhone, and I should mention in there that it's UK. Let's see, we are gonna run, shall we try just smartphone? We're gonna see how much traffic there is available. United Kingdom, which is UK. There we go. Not Ukraine, but United Kingdom. All right. So we got close to 1 million potential daily impressions on just smartphone UK. But let's see if that's still just about 1 million. If we deselect pop under, we deselect display, we deselect native, and we deselect interstitial. Now we only have left 6,000. So yeah, maybe we do want to run desktop with that. If that makes any changes. That doesn't seem to make any changes. Ah, there we go. All right, so now we have like 16.5K of potential daily impressions, which is good enough for that. Let's continue. All right, so then we have our creatives. So we're going to focus on push notifications today. And right here, we want our creative URL. I'm just going to post the offer link there. There we go. Usually, you would obviously have your landing page URL in there right there. But we're going to make the landing page a little later. So for now, I'm just going to fill in this one to have something there. Okay, so we need a title, a description, and an icon and a banner. Let's just start with the icon. So I'm going to use Canva to crop my images, and it needs to be 192 by 192 for the icon. 192 by 192 There we go. And let's do something with an Apple Store. Images. All right, now that looks awesome. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna save this image and then we're gonna crop it, or do I like this one better? I like this one as well. But, okay, this is clearly not UK. Yeah, let's just go with this image and then we'll go with another angle on another ad. That looks pretty nice. It's recognizable, right? That's what's good about the Apple stores, is everybody knows what they look like, right? Or at least everybody who's somewhat interested in Apple knows what an Apple store looks like and recognizes one always. So that looks pretty nice. It's a lot of white on white, which doesn't make the image pop as much as we want, but that's fine for now. I'm just gonna throw it in there, split test it, and then we'll see where to go. All right, the banner needs to be 720 by 480. So let's open up another design. 720 by 480. Cool, so this is gonna be the banner side, and perhaps, perhaps it works better if we put the Apple Store here. Or, no, we'll do that on another creative. So I'm gonna actually swap things around a little bit. So I'm gonna download this and drag that in there. There we go. And I'm gonna delete this. And we are going to do something maybe with just the Apple logo. I do want one that pops out a little bit though. So there are a lot of different versions. Obviously we have the standard ones like this one. But I want something that really pops. That really grabs the attention of the audience, because they just get a pop-up and they won't notice it or they won't care about it if it doesn't make a huge first impression. So we want something that sticks out of the rest, that catches your eye right away. And the one that I like most, I like this one as well, but I think I'm gonna go with, I saw one up here that I liked. Where did it go? That's the question right now. Let me close this for a second. Oh, right here it is. I like this one. Because of the white bluish light, it makes a, it jumps out a little bit more. And the icon is going to be small. So perhaps I want to zoom in a little bit more, so I'm going to do this manually now. I want it somewhere to be like that. Just finding the middle here. All right, sure, that works. All right, let's download that. There we go. Go back into the campaign and drop it in there. Cool. Win your, what was it, 500? Check the offer. Yeah, 500 pounds. So I should use pounds. I have no clue where my pound symbol is, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Imagine that there's a pound sign there, or I can just do this. Because I have no clue. All right, Alt 0163. All right, Alt 0163. There we go. Awesome, that looks a lot better. Gift card for Apple. Nope. Apple gift card. That fits perfect. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, cool. Apple is giving away gift cards to people in city. Claim yours now. Get my gift card. I don't know if I like that as a button text, get my gift card, or let's see. We're just gonna keep it basic, learn more. There we go. Save creative, and we are going to create yet another one. So the first one, where did it go, is right here. So this is what it's going to look like. Win your £500 Apple gift card. This is just an example. Apple is giving away gift cards to people in Tallinn, in this case. Claim yours now. All right, that looks pretty good. Now we do want another kind of approach, kind of angle. So let's go Apple gift card. Let's search on that. And then we get all kinds of gift cards. But I actually want somebody who just won a Apple gift card. Let's see. I still get a lot of gift cards themselves, not somebody being happy. This might work, but it's a very stock picture, and it's not an Apple gift card, but an Argos gift card, and it's not an Apple product, but an Acer product. So therefore that picture is no use. Obviously, you wouldn't use a picture where they holding basically the rival, one of the rival, the competition's products. So happy with Apple gift card. There's not a whole lot of pictures with people who won. This is pretty good though. I like this. She's holding an iPhone, which is good. Good detail. Still not exactly what I'm looking for, but let's go with it just as an example for this one. I want to use this picture as the banner. Right. There we go. That looks pretty good. And let's drag that in. Awesome. Okay, so we've got our banner. Let's just go with an Apple gift card. £500. Let's see if we get any results on that. We do have 500 US dollars, but do we have 500 pounds? That's the question. Maybe if I put UK after it. Denmark. All right, so you know what? We're gonna go with, no. All right, we're just gonna go with this one right here. Just as a generic gift card picture. All right, so we're gonna use that as the icon for this creative. And that crops pretty nice. So we're gonna download that, and then we dive back into AdCash. We're gonna upload it, and get your £500 Apple gift card. A woman from city just won her Apple gift card. win yours now or today. Learn more at the bottom. There we go. Awesome. Get your £500 Apple gift card. Woman from Tallinn just won her Apple gift card. Win yours today. Set creative. Alright, so now we have 2 creatives, which is pretty good. So we're gonna keep it as that for this example, and then in the next video we will continue with this campaign creation, and then we're gonna focus on building a landing page for this campaign. So more to come. I will see you next time. Peace out.